This is another very difficult killing challenge for white. So black's eye space here is very big. If white simply plays on the outside, then black should at least be able to make a ko very easily. And white doesn't have a whole lot of choices. So the first move is probably this. This is the only weakness that black has in its shape, but the biggest weakness. You can argue that this is potentially a weakness, but it's not that significant. The real weakness is here. Now black must connect. Otherwise, black will die after number 3 here. But this is still difficult for white. It's tempting to try this Atari, but after this exchange, you might want to try this, but this will only allow white to capture these 2 black stones, and black will be able to make an extra eye here on the first line, so black will be alive. In fact, after black's number 4, there's no way for white to kill black, because black either makes an extra eye on the left or on the right. So if white blocks from the left, black can play on the right. If white plays something on the right, then black can find an extra eye here on the left. So where should number 3 be? Right? If it's from the outside, then black can still make a living shape pretty easily, like this. This will not work because black will be able to make a living shape this way. Standing down will not work. Black can just make a real eye here on the right. And white cannot connect because this will be a connect and die. So number 3 should actually be right here, standing down here. It's very hard to find this move. So now black has a couple of choices. Number 1 is connecting here, right? If black plays on the left, now white has this move, and these 4 black stones will be killed in this race to capture. So this is not okay for black. So black can connect here, but this becomes easier for white. White can just try to reduce black's eye space here on the outside, and this will end up becoming a bulky 5 shape, right? I think after number 11, black is already dead. Even if black plays here, this is going to be a bulky 5 shape in the end. So number 4 will fail. And the strongest move for black is connecting here. Now, white will not be able to win this race to capture, right? If you play 5 and 6 now, you can't capture these 5 black stones. So the best you can do is probably this one. But now black can capture white, like this. And black will still be able to make a living shape after number 14, right? White will have to play this, but this will be a bent 4 shape, a living shape for black. So the sequence really matters here. White should play this first. If black connects now, then white will be able to pull back everything, and this is not enough eye space for black. So black must block now. Now white can play this exchange. What's going on here is that white can actually play right here at number 9, another very good move. And this is a seki between these 2 groups. But the problem for black is that these 6 stones on the left are not alive, which means that this entire black group is dead, right? Because black will not be able to capture white, and this black group will be captured first. It only has 3 liberties left on the outside. So this is how white succeeds. 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9 in this sequence. So this is a really difficult problem because this sequence is very, very difficult to find. Make sure you understand what's going on here. Try some of the other variations on your own, and please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.